Welcome to Joda Decor, where timeless vintage charm meets fresh seasonal inspiration. Today, we're exploring fresh spring vintage home decorating ideas for a light, airy, and timeless look that will help you refresh your space while keeping its nostalgic soul alive. If you love vintage decorating ideas, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below to support our channel and join our growing decor community. Spring is the perfect time to lighten your vintage interior by swapping heavy winter textiles with soft, breathable fabrics like cotton, linen, and lace. Choose pastel or faded floral patterns that feel authentic to vintage aesthetics while allowing sunlight to reflect beautifully across your space, creating a calm and refreshing seasonal transformation. One beautiful way to welcome spring into your vintage home is by incorporating fresh or dried flowers displayed in antique vases, mason jars, or ceramic pitchers. Florals such as peonies, tulips, or baby's breath naturally complement vintage decor while adding organic color, softness, and a romantic seasonal touch to any room. Consider refreshing your vintage furniture arrangement to create better airflow and natural lighting. Slightly repositioning pieces like armchairs, side tables, or display cabinets near windows can instantly make your home feel brighter and more open, while still preserving the authentic character of your vintage layout. Updating your wall decor with lighter vintage artwork or botanical prints can beautifully reflect the freshness of spring. Look for antique-style illustrations, pressed flower frames, or watercolor landscape paintings that enhance the nostalgic charm while introducing a seasonal lightness to your walls. Switching out darker vintage rugs with lighter woven or faded floral rugs can instantly brighten your room. Look for distressed patterns or antique-inspired textiles in soft neutral or pastel shades to maintain the aged vintage feel while embracing the breezy spirit of spring. Spring is also an ideal time to restyle your vintage shelving and display cabinets by decluttering and rotating decorative items. Showcase delicate porcelain figurines, antique teacups, or glassware collections in a more spaced-out arrangement to create a lighter, airier visual balance. Updating your window treatments can dramatically enhance your vintage spring atmosphere. Replace thick drapes with sheer lace curtains or lightweight linen panels that allow natural sunlight to softly filter through, creating a warm, romantic glow throughout your living space. Adding vintage baskets or woven storage pieces can introduce both beauty and functionality. These charming elements provide storage for throws, magazines, or seasonal decorations while adding natural texture that pairs perfectly with spring-inspired vintage styling. Incorporating subtle vintage-inspired pastel accents such as soft mint, pale blush, dusty blue, or creamy yellow through pillows, throws, or table linens can refresh your space without overpowering its timeless character. These gentle tones help create a harmonious and uplifting spring palette. Refreshing your vintage dining area with seasonal table styling can bring new life into everyday moments. Use embroidered tablecloths, delicate china, antique silverware, and fresh floral centerpieces to create a welcoming and nostalgic spring dining experience. Lighting plays an important role in achieving a light and airy vintage spring atmosphere. Consider replacing heavy lampshades with lighter fabric shades or incorporating vintage glass lamps, candle holders, or crystal chandeliers that beautifully reflect natural daylight and evening candlelight. Incorporating nature-inspired vintage accessories such as bird figurines, botanical prints, or aged garden elements can strengthen the connection between indoor spaces and the outdoor spring environment, enhancing the seasonal authenticity of your decor. Don't forget about scent as part of your spring vintage refresh. Use subtle fragrances like lavender sachets, rose potpourri, or natural herbal arrangements placed in antique containers to create a nostalgic and comforting sensory experience throughout your home. Fresh spring vintage decorating is all about balancing timeless charm with seasonal brightness, allowing your home to feel both nostalgic and rejuvenated. We hope these ideas inspire you to refresh your space with elegance and warmth. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Joda Decor, give this video a like, and share your favorite spring vintage decorating idea in the comments below.